Look, y'all just standing there waiting for me to come home? Huh? What are you guys licking? Somebody threw corn down there. That's why you guys. Hey, butterscotch. How you doing, girl? Huh? What in the world is going on with you, baby? Cold spots. What the hell? Okay, I got cows losing hair. That's not good. Else losing hair. Hey, new girl. Valentine. Hey, Valentino. I heard you're being a little ass today. Come here. Come here, big guy. Come here. Mama. The only one out there eating hay. Oh, he's busy licking his butt, so. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with baby and her hair loss. Still waiting for the bags to fill. There's your form. Come here, baby. It's cold out here. Checking the goats. Just getting home from work. Checking on the animals, seeing how they're doing. Found one with hair missing. Getting bald spots. So I'm gonna have to get that checked out. Hi, ladies. This one looks like she's gonna have triplets. Pretty wise. She's had triplets before. This one had twins last time. This one has never had any babies. I don't even know if she's